Caruso creates soft, natural, healthy hairstyles using 100% steam. This advanced hair setter works with patented rollers and a unique shield designed to produce long-lasting, voluminous curls. Take a look at a professional demonstration featuring our top stylist Brenda, showcasing a modern hair trend using a classic technique. Make sure hair is completely dry and lightly spray a thermal protectant before using the Caruso Steam Hair Setter. Remove steamer top and add water to the reservoir up to the fill line. Plug in the unit and allow approximately 1 minute for steam. Divide hair into 2 sections, front and back. Place a clip on back section to keep hair secure. Separate a ½ inch section of hair, no bigger than the roller itself. Place the roller on the roller post for 3 to 5 seconds. Touch the roller to ensure it's completely steamed. Place roller at the top of the subsection of hair and wrap it around the roller. Secure with the clip and continue with the next roller until front section is complete. Unclip the back section and repeat the rolling process, placing rollers in staggered positions to create a more natural look. Leave rollers in hair about 10 to 15 minutes. Using a blow dryer or hood dryer will speed up the process. The steam and cooling process gives you a strong set and locks in the curls. If the rollers are removed too soon, the curl will not properly set. Once cooled, hold the ends of the roller with one hand and pull at the clip with the other. Slowly unwind each curl. Do not comb or brush. Loosen the curls by running fingers lightly through hair. Spray with your favorite finishing product and apply a smoothing serum to the ends of hair. Use small rollers for tighter curls and larger rollers for waves and volume. To make the clip more pliable, you may place it over the steam for 3 to 5 seconds or leave it clipped to the roller while it steams. The longer the roller steams, the more saturated it becomes. Therefore, the longer the drying time. For different looks, refer to the step-by-step styling guide included with your Caruso hair setter. Set it once and curls last for days.